So the man them saw for pastor and they clean down at Hanover, Sandy Bay Hanover. And right now people, I tell you say, we hear about the last days. And right now come like say we are live in the last days. We are live out the last days right now. Because it's like some blood sucking vampires let loose upon the land. And it seems that Jamaica are them number one destination. You come like say some evil spirit there Jamaica on vacation because too much wickedness are gone. We see people are get murdered in a church. No, where's a pastor, neck cut off and dash in a bush and all kind of foolishness. You see me I say, no, this thing I get out of hand and me no know people. Too much wickedness are going in our local country. You see me I say, so as you can see in this article right now, where it say a pastor headless body was found in Sandy Bay Hanover. And we're talking about the topic here right now, people. But we'll do it right after the intro. So just make sure say subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, people, and make sure you like and share the video. Don't keep it to yourself, you see me? Make sure you share it with somebody so the word can spread. You see me? Go over Instagram, go follow me at Jamaican Drama 1. Alright, that's the thing there. Alright, people. So right now, more say big up to all of the persons them who have been viewing my videos, who have been supporting the movement. You get me? I say all of my subscribers them, more big one up. Thanks for the support over the years, and I just want to say, yo, I want to motivate me to continue to do what I do. See? So people, you see the topic what we are dealing with, the pastor in the country there with them find a bush headless. You see me? And as I can see in the star, the article, the headline I say, yo, pastor's headless body found in Sandy Bay Hanover. Crime scene investigators are now trying to locate the head of a man whose body was discovered along a dirt track in Sandy Bay Hanover this morning, March 8, 2021. This article was published. So people, in short, couple days ago, a pastor went missing. I think them same day in field I do some work in some bush down and over there. I do some work and he never go home. And then them file a missing person report at the station and investigation start search for the pastor. Zane. And couple days after them find him body. Well, suspected body because them not find a head. So I know them can't really identify the body. But based on him clothing and him whole attire, them figure more or less say he is the person that them look for, the pastor we're missing. You see me? So people, this is the stage of our country reach, This hour really are going in a jam down in a to the day of people. Just a few months ago, we see which part a brother going to a church or give a lady about 9 shots. You see me? So there is no respect for the house of the Lord anymore or for godly people. You see me? So if we, the regular sinners, see them are the will pass and them away, then what am I going to do to we, the sinners? You understand? So the article went on to say that the pastor was last seen alive about 5 p.m. Sunday, clearing a piece of land in the community and was reported missing later the same day. Zine, a search was carried out for him and it led to the gruesome discovery of his headless body. Oh my God. People, this is really, really cause for concern in our society. You get me? I say, as me say, back in the days, you view the pastor like a superhuman being, right? You view the pastor as somebody where nothing can do him, he can't get hurt because I am whole connection to God. So when we see these things that happen now, it tell we say we're at a place, we can't reach a place right now where there's no turning back. You get me, say people, if them start attack the church or men of God, women of God, then they tell we say all hope is now lost, right? Because if a man not have no regards whatsoever for the Lord or persons, people of God, then it tell we say the country, the nation, the society gone down the drain and things are going to only get worse from here so people. Now, me I go ask Uno, the viewers and subscribers, where things say would have happened, why the man them deal with the pastor this way. Because the way them kill him, is not an ordinary way of killing a man. You see me? When a man cut off a man's head, that kind of personal. You see me? Very, very personal if you don't know. You see me? So there must be some form of message behind this killing. Right? You cut off a man's head and you find body alone. That tell you something, people. So I want to know where this pastor could have involved in to meet such a gruesome demise. Zine, you know, viewers and subscribers, as I say, you don't know all the way I ask now, just share your thoughts in the comment section because maybe somebody out there have some form of information, more information they can share with the audience. So, may I beg you to drop in and give you a few points in the comment section, people, make we hear what really are going so we can have a discussion. Once again, big up to my viewers and my subscribers, them right around the globe. Love you know, whole heap. Continue to support the movement, people. Until next time, peace and love. Stay safe.